Guys, welcome to the space, welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. Hi. This morning I am here with a review. I hope everyone is doing good. If you're taking the shot, I hope you're doing good. If you haven't, I hope you're staying safe and still doing good. Okay. I want this video to be very short, so I'm just gonna jump into it right now. So around last year, September, October, thereabout, I lost my purse or wallet, my little purse. I went to go use the restroom at I think a Marshall. And I left it on the little bar, the bar that you hold. So I put it right on top of it, and because I didn't have my bag with me. I didn't have my bag with me, so I only had my wallet with me, and so I left it on top of the bar. I used the restroom and I forgot. You're making a lot of noise, baby. And I forgot it after I went out to go wash my hands. I forgot to go back in there and grab it. So I walked out. So when I got to the door, leaving, I was like, I had something in my hand. Where is it? Oh, it was my purse. That's when I remembered that I had left my wallet in the restroom. So I rushed back in there. When I was at the door, the entrance to the restroom, I met a lady coming out. Nothing came in mind to ask her if she saw the wallet. Nothing. When she came out, I went in and there was nothing. So I looked around. I looked in the trash to see if somebody grabbed it and took whatever and dropped the rest in the trash. There was nothing. So I came out. The lady was nowhere to be found. Literally, that was like less than 2 minutes after I had initially walked out. Because I walked out straight to the entrance, and I remembered, walked right back in, and it was gone. Okay. So everything, my credit cards, my bank cards, my driver license, everything was gone. And so right there, I told the store manager they couldn't look at the camera. And so they couldn't look in the camera because they claimed there's a tech guy that take care of the camera who wasn't available at the moment, so they couldn't look at the camera. And even if he was available, there was no way to go back and look through the camera. So then I left my information, my number, my address, and I was like, you know what, if anybody turn it in after taking whatever they want out, just call me. I'll pick it up, because I'm not ready to go to DMV, go through all that thing. So that they took my number. They never called me back. I kept calling to check on it, but nothing happened. In short, yes, I did, before you guys start commenting, yes, I did call all my credit card, my bank, and everything, canceled the old ones. But in short, the wallet was gone. So Christmas, my husband decided to get me a new wallet, which is a Tiffany wallet. My lost wallet was from Coach. So it's the Coach wallet that you open, the envelope wallet. And I got a new Tiffany one. So now it comes in a box, just like so. That's what I want to share with you. in this video. And when you open it, this is how it comes. There's a little envelope. Guys, don't you just love Tiffany's color, the blue, like the Tiffany blue? It's so beautiful. But yeah, so this envelope is the manual, I think, or manufacturer something. Those little gibberish stuff that comes in Chinese and all that. Yeah, so it's a little book in there. And then the wallet, which has the Tiffany & Co. stamped on there. It comes in a dust bag, okay? You get a little small dust bag. In the box, there's nothing else but tissue papers left in the box. So here is it. This is the dust bag. Okay, and here is the wallet. Yeah. And I tell you, I love it. I cannot even, like, I love it. There's no words to this. It's beautiful. The back has a little storage right there. I don't know what it is for. It still has the board in there, so if you're ready to use, you're just gonna take this board out and you have the little pocket. Okay, and then it opens like so, and then this is how the inside looks. So if I'm taking all these boards and tissues out, there's going to be a lot of card holders in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 here, I believe 4 here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 3 and 3 here. Okay, so there's 6 on this side, there's 8 on this side. There's another envelope hole or storage here. There's a storage right here for your bills. There's another hole storage right here. There's storage right here, and then there's a zipper in the middle when you to open, okay, to put your, I believe you can put change in there or anything that you want to put in here. So there's a zipper right there. That zip open and close. Okay, so it's like that. It's also like an envelope wallet. The sides folds nicely. It opened very wide. The other side. So there's 2 folds here. I believe there's 3 or so folds here. Yeah. So that's the Tiffany wallet. And this is how it closes. It snaps. And that's the side. The other side. The back. The front. I love this wallet. It's very blush, like it's very smooth, and it's real leather. Okay, it's real leather. It's very nice. It has a very sleek feel to it. Very, very chic. I like it. And it can, I believe you can just hold this for like a date night. You can just hold it by itself. It's pretty big. Okay, look at my face. It's pretty big. Okay, so you can hold it by itself for date night instead of carrying this or a bigger bag or whatever it is. This is it. It's beautiful. It's just classic. Okay, so this is it. And then the little snap right there has the Tiffany & Co. stamp on it right there. It says Tiffany, New York, if I can read it well. So this is it, guys. It's pretty short. It's a pretty short video just to unbox and show you guys this beautiful, sleek Tiffany & Co. wallet that I got for Christmas. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention is it has the Tiffany & Co. New York, I believe, made in Italy stamp inside right there. Okay, so yeah, if you're looking to buy any of the Tiffany & Co. wallets, this is a must-have. It's beautiful. You're really gonna like it. Okay, all right, guys, this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, prayed up, and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.
Bye.
Come say bye. Guys, come say bye. Come say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.